Hello Chhatto Bandhura, how are you? Hope you are doing great. Yes, I am doing great. Today we are going to learn how to draw a water lily. You know, water lily is our national flower. Today we are going to use two methods. Okay, one is called plus method and another is U method. We will combine this method together. Okay, so if you want to get this type of video regularly, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever I will publish new video. Okay, let's jump into the video. Okay, we have to draw plus sign first. Okay, so don't make the plus sign so dark because later we have to erase this line. Okay, because those are the supporting line. So now I'm going to draw another line from here to here. Why? Because we will draw a U over there, so this distance should be equal because this line is basically intersection line. Okay, so I'm going to put two dots over there and then I'm going to draw U from there. Okay, so it's a U from there. Now I have to start drawing petals. Okay, one petal and then you have to repeat the same way, two petals. Okay, I'm going to figure out where should another petal start from. Okay, so I'm going to draw another petal from there. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 petals. Now I have to draw some zigzag line because it's a middle part of the water lily. It should be yellow. Okay, the yellow part of the water lily. And now the important part, you have to draw another petal from here to here and another petal from here to here. Okay, don't worry about the shapes and the size, just draw it. Okay, then we will figure it out how we need to draw those things. So you see, I'm going to draw two petals over there. Now you have to draw another line from here to here to here. Okay, so look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals, but you have to draw another petals over here and here. Okay, so that, so look, from this distance this should be middle, isn't it? And now from here to here this should be middle part. Now I like to draw another line from here to here, so like that we will find the point for that petal. Okay, so 1 and 2, like this we have to draw 1 and 2. Okay, I'm repeating it's an intersection. Look, this is the middle part, this part and this part equal. Okay, now the important part, the part. Okay, so I intentionally make little bit bend. Okay, I'm bend this one and then I have to draw water like this. So it's like wavy water over there. So from here I would like to draw a bent line like this and then again another line following that line and then I'm going to draw water. So what is missing? Bud. Okay, I'm going to draw the water bud, water lily bud. So you have to draw this line and this line. So you see, it looks easy, isn't it? Yes. Now what is missing? Yes, water lily pad. So for that you have to draw a big size of oval. I know you can draw oval. Okay, there's another fun part. If you want to draw another line, it's up to you exactly. If you want to draw another oval like this, okay, you can draw, no problem. But look, so you have to draw a V. You have to write a V from here to here. Okay, so you see there is a light line over there, so you need to just make it wavy. Okay, because the water lily pad are not flat exactly, it's little bit wavy, bumpy like that. Okay, so I'm going to draw some lines. Okay, like this. Like for this one I have to also draw those lines. Okay, so I'm going to finish this one like this. So you see how easy this water lily is. So you have to try this one. Now I'm going to border it. Da da da. Now coloring time. So first we will start with the middle part of the water lily. So we can use little pale orange over there, little bit, not too much, and then yellow color. Okay. Okay. Now we have to use red color. Okay. So I'm going to use from here. So from the top you have to start coloring like this. Okay, okay, now you have to use magenta, not too much, not too less. Okay, we're gonna use pink color. Okay, okay, do you see some color dust over there? Please do not use your hand to wipe it down. You have to use this type of hand towel. So like this, you see, it's gone. So yeah, again I can use this one for bud. Okay, one major color you can use, one important color you can use is called crimson. Okay, it's at least little bit darker than red one, so we can use it for the very dark portion of the water lily. Okay, okay, now you see, wow, what a beautiful color this is. Now we have to use, this is dark green, of course. So for the dark green we will use the very dark part. Okay, and then you have to use olive color. Okay, this time we are not going to use the green color. Okay, instead of that we have to use the olive color. Okay, it's olive green, not olive exactly. Olive is another color, I want to use it. Okay, so this is olive. Okay, so I'm going to use it over here. It seems a little bit yellowish, of course we need this color. You can see how beautiful this is, no? Yeah, yes, very important green, light green. Okay, so with that olive green we're gonna use the light green color. Of course I'm keeping some highlights over there. For this also I'm going to keep some highlights. Okay, and over there I'm going to cover it. Okay, so look how beautiful the water lily is. Yes, the same way you have to do the bud. Okay, first you have to put, what is it, light dark green. Yes, similar as the skin of the water lily. Okay, so you see I'm going to use dark green like this. Wow, we are done our water lily pad. Now we're gonna use Persian blue. So little bit for the darker area. Okay, I have to make, you see, those areas should be darker, isn't it? Yes. And then I'm going to use a very important color, is called dark blue green. Okay, so water needs to be little bit greenish. Okay, so I'm going to use this color over here and there, not too much of course, and then our light blue. Okay, so I'm going to use light blue like this, not all over the pages, just where the water is. Okay, so you see, you can do it now. Yeah. And for the safety purpose, we can use white color. Soft touch of dark blue again for the water. Da da da! Hope you like it. So please subscribe my channel. See you in next video.